Alright, we just got home to the old shop, so I'm upstairs. So this is our update to the last video. It's 3:20 this time. It's a lot later, see, it's a half hour. So anyway, this is what I've been working on over here. So we've been doing a lot of work over here. So that used to be empty. Now we got 11 feet of shelving by let's see, 2, 4, and 5.5 feet. So we now have a nice large area to put parts. You see how we got a few loads in here already. So been loading up. I emptied out that shelf, and it's even hard to get to this. Oh well. So I got a lot of shelf space now. And I got the whole wall through here too. So I should have enough room for my stuff. Nice and hot in here too. Yeah, 76. Feels hotter over here though. So we got brought our gaskets home. That was heavy. Dow's a little narrow getting through here. There's the other gasket. That's really heavy. Catch-all area because I haven't had time to put stuff away. Trying to move. Old stuff I left. Upstairs we've been packing away. Like we know what we're doing. Up here. Light. Let there be light. So we've been packing stuff up in here. There's the t-shirts. In case you want a t-shirt now they're at home. I can get to them. More forks. So we've just been packing the shelves full all the way down to the end, and then we backfill the aisle, stuff it full to get room. So you can see that that wall is a lot closer to us now than it used to be. It's about halfway here. So that's a mountain of NOS parts buried in there. So anyway, I'm just kind of filling everything solid. Later in the year I'll go through this stuff and organize a little better, but for now we're just kind of backfilling everything. That's how you get stuff up here. Low ceiling height. That's the best curing device I found yet. It rolls easily. It's just the right height to go down the aisles. Saves my back a lot. So anyway, I haven't moved not much downstairs yet. Gotta do a lot of work down there, but oh well, it is what it is. But like I said, we got a lot of shelf space here to start filling it. So hopefully I don't have to make as many trips up to the mountains. No, that was supposed to go upstairs. NOS stuff again. I got my quick shelf right there. Tiring. So this is what I do after I work down there. I come down here and unload the truck here. So last night I worked from 3 to 5 unloading the truck, and I spent another half hour putting this part of the shelf together. For some reason these shelves are a ½ inch shorter than all the other shelves that we have, which are these ones. These nice heavy duty ones. So these light duty ones are the only ones that fit right in here, because they match these other ones right here, which are these are the only two that we have that are this length and dimension. So I had to match them up. So, and even those two are different by a 1/4 inch. So it takes a lot longer to put shelving together than people think. So anyway, that's how it goes. Oh, the latest thing I got in. People like those? Let me get these out of my dirty fingers. So there you go. Any of those. Oop. Now they all come out, see? So I made these to go on the point cover of the old bike. So haven't tried it yet. These are patches on the hat. Stick-on patches. And these are the big ones. Iron on. So these are point covers. Why does the light keep going on now? So this is the gasket. This is the point cover on your 70s electronic ignition bikes. So late 70 and up, you have this plate underneath your point cover. On your early bike, you just have the point cover. It looks like this on there. So this is an earlier one. It's got the FLH. Now we don't need the light. This has the FLH sticker on there. So he didn't know what kind of a, these are not high heat, so he wanted to know what kind of a sticker was on high heat. He went to Harley Davidson, checked with them, see what they could find. And they haven't even got a clue what a point cover even is. So I'll take them this down there, show them. This is the material you make it out of if you want it to live. So that's an original one. So that is the sticker. So it goes right like that. I think it's slightly bigger than this cover. I haven't tried putting these on yet. It appears that they made them oversized. Oh, they did. Isn't that special? So we gave them a dimension that was way less than stock size, and they made it bigger than stock. Yep. That means these aren't going to fit very well. Great. This whole time I thought they're going to be undersized. They're oversized. So, oh well. Some trimming may be necessary to make these fit. See, these are American made. Instead of being made in China, they're made in the US, so that's why they don't fit. So yeah, they're going to be, yeah, looks like they're about 40 thou, 50 thou is too big. Trim, trim, trim. Anyway, these are vinyl, stick on. Not sure how good they're going to be. I haven't tried using them yet. Can I get them off with my dirty hands? One finger. So I see it's like a normal sticker for me. It never comes off. Oh, it's coming. Maybe. Nope. Paper's coming off, not the sticker. So it's like a sticker normal one for me. I can never get the damn things off. So you get it just right, it'll peel right off. It is right there. Oop, it is right there. Look at that. See, right there, it's coming off correctly. There you go. See, incorrect, correct. If you got the paper sticking to it, it doesn't stick. If you got the glue, it works. All right. I guess I'm going to have to give this one away because it's defective. Somebody finger screwed it already. Alright, well that's what they look like. So anyway, more junk. So anyway, wasting time. I'm doing a lot of wasting time. What do I do with my fork? Must have left it downstairs. That's a good place to leave your fork, laying downstairs. Yep, right there. Don't leave your fork laying outside at night. Some bum will come by and steal it. Well, it's not aluminum, so they probably won't go very far with it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, my UL might not, my 37 ULH might not appreciate not having a front end for it. There you go. It's a 39 fork. It's close enough to 37. So. Alright, so there you go. That's how it all works. New counter, lots of area, and I'm tired.